how to set color correction to Deutan, Protan, Tritan, or Grayscale on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge, or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the Settings icon. In Settings, we then scroll down to the bottom and tap on Accessibility. Then tap on Vision Enhancements. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Color Correction. Then we scroll down, and from the bottom panel, you can select Deutan green to red, Protan red to green, Tritan blue to yellow, or Grayscale. And this is Grayscale. This is Tritan. Here you can change the intensities once you have selected on options. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.